I'm a little bit disappointed by the way and the manner in which the absence of the governor will be treated. Position mar governor is a public body. And Article 35 of the Constitution omiyo every citizen the right mar ng'eyo gima timore ata mar the right to access information regarding any matter, including the whereabouts of their governor. It is and gima rach ni for a very long time pok wayudo concrete information manyaka the lack of concrete information ni miyo koro gik mang'eny timore. Iyudo ka there have been so many rumors on the social media. Moro nowacho ni there is a resignation mar the deputy governor. Mar governor. Ntiere moro be manowacho ni akeni governor nodhi ochama kena ng'o State House. Moko be wacho ni governor is in critical health condition. The public, especially the electorates masiaya, gin gi ratiro mar ng'eyo ni governor margi ni kanye. Not as okay kaka gimoro magimiyo gi amiya nikech koro nyalo kwayo, but it is a right moningo ging'e. Nikech ing'e ni Cleophas gima miyo kata weche matimore minya yudo ni oma kata ng'ato juok e gwenge. Iyudo ni gimoro ng'ato ling, to ka ng'ato ling to ng'ato wacho wach moro, tipo mana ka odhi omonj dala ng'ato ni ine minego ng'ane to kiny kisenego ng'ani to ng'at mane wacho ni onegni wuok koro ang'o monego tim. Nikech sani neno ka ji nowacho weche mang'eny e mbui ma amounts to public incitement. In seche ma koro condense kata seche ma consume that information, so there is no concrete information, where does that leave you? Koro on that aspect, I think the governor should be held accountable for that. Ka en tuo mang'eni dhano be ringruok dondore, it ought to have been communicated. Inyalo paro ni gino notimore county ma Nakuru. Mane governor obedo absent for a very long time. It warranted a petition. Koka governor nowacho ni she went to nodhi konyore abroad. The public deserves to know, because the moment you are elected into a public office, it ceases to be your own. You become the public's, and you are subject to the public scrutiny. Having said that, nyakabekoro chakwangiane the role of county deputy governors. Okoningo bedni en position moro ma you are serving at the mercy of the deputy governor. The constitution should be very clear, and the laws ma govern the roles of a deputy governor, then they should be tightened, so that deputy governor okodhi adhiya kanyo nikech governor emoyie, nikech ji ariyogi noyier otika diwa, noyier gi otika achiel. Mane gimi neno ka deputy governors osebedo saboteurs. Girita rita mondo gimoro tim governor, mondo tim rinade, mondo ketgi, mondo yudo kaka for example Mutuma no abscond duty for a very long time. And after the impeachment of the governor, without any understanding, Matimore County government, enema koro dikele ni obeda ngowa, obedo governor. The same thing neno Kagure, ndalo mane Mike movie Sonko bedo othichoko, enga ma user sabotua, he didn't understand, Sonko no sideline, but kakoro wecho se bedo matek ne Sonko, this new governor comes in, and a governor, iyudo ka gini rocho ratiro. Otimore nyaka Waititu, Nyoro came out from nowhere, obiro kanyo, koro enema koro dwa run governor, he had no clue whatever was going on. The same thing, Saniko po gimono timorene governor, as much as nijo ntire quarters moko moknyal ero Oduol Denge. Oduol Denge will assume that position. There is no resignation from Oduol Denge. And iye gigima mjumbe manyatike wacho. Ni the deputy governor nigi avenues monyalo address go frustrations. Number chiel, onyalo write a complaint. Kata onyalo seek judicial review a court. To kane no kata mregi nono nikech ochamo salary mar jopiny, and salary mar jopiny no nyaka be ni you account for it by working. And during that time osebedo ka in Nairobi ka, then who performs his role? Then why does he get salary? So embe dwa ber kwa neno steps mosekao mar ng'iyo ni the frustrations ma allegedly bedo cost deputy governor James Orengo bedo addressed appropriately. Kaoneno katek, then they can do the unthinkable, what most leaders don't do, mar resigning. so that you do not wait for an opportunity the governor is incapacitated there is need mar deputy governor doketich maramoja. There is also need mar a truce between the two leaders and the county of Siaya, so that wange there is a deputy governor who has given functions. Katakuka giwinjiregi governor, but he has a function, Mao report to the office every day, and there is a delegation. Lastly, Nileno Gimanoti Morewach Mara Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua. To Nileno interpretation mar court. Gimomio a deputy president nokdwa kata mondo bed maonge for a moment. Mane gimene ka Justice Murima gini no ringo mar lifting the order, the preservatory order mane ba the swearing in of Kindiki. Kagi wachoni back in the days the deputy governor ne en kaka
president
ne kaka assistant mane nyalo bedo assigned roles gi the governor, and he was serving at the governor's mercy kata the president's mercy. I mean president ne nyalo fire kaka nodwaro. But in the new political dispensation, in the new 2010 constitution, the two are elected as one and they have distinct roles. You are a principal assistant of the governor, so the governor should give you responsibilities magatimo, and that position is very critical. Any absence, any vacuum should be filled with immediate effect. I support there should be a truce. There should be a conversation around that. Mondo the deputy governor Dogetich, the governor Bende should also improve on his communication, knowing that this is a public body. Kantiere watch mora. It should be clearly communicated to the public to avoid any rumors which can incite the public.